for Alfredo Pasta, creamy and bright. B is for burger, a tasty bite. C is for chicken curry, spicy and hot. D is for deep dish pizza, straight from the pot. E is for egg salad, creamy and cool. F is for French toast, golden and full. G is for garlic bread, crispy and nice. H is for hoagie, a sub sandwich surprise. I is for ice cream cake, sweet and fun. J is for jackfruit curry, spiced and yum. K is for kimbap platter, juicy and neat. L is for lasagna, a cheesy treat. M is for mac and cheese, gooey and bright. N is for noodle soup, warming and light. O is for omelette, fluffy and round. P is for pancakes, stacked and browned. Q is for quiche Lorraine, baked with care. R is for roast chicken with herbs to share. S is for spaghetti with sauce on top. T is for toasted sandwich, you just can't stop. U is for udon noodles, soft and long. V is for veggie stir fry, colorful and strong. W is for waffles with syrup flow. X is for zakutia, cone curry glow. Y is for yogurt parfait, sweet and light. Z is for ziti pasta, baked just right.